pictures like, is my package here yet? Reading that book? Yeah, is it here? Nope. Wait a minute. Why are you talking so slow? Why are you talking so slow? Oh no! We're stuck in slow motion! This is all your fault. I'm coming. Ah! I'm coming for you. I got a package. That's mine. Thank you. Ah! I'm coming for you, Oscar. I'm coming for you. Nancy. Yes? Yes? Peach is chasing me. I need your help. Where? I just want you to pick him up. Ah! I found you, Oscar. Ah! Phew! That was a close call.